Hi, welcome to the Wynn in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're in a corner room, beautiful, completely renovated. You have this nice entryway, beautiful big mirror. Let's check out the bathroom. Very nice shower and tub. All this has been completely redone, brand new. This is a corner room. You have a nice table, TV. The thing about the corner room is you have windows on both sides. So a regular room would not have windows over here. You have windows all around. You can see all the way down the strip. The Palazzo, Mirage, Caesars. You can see everything all the way down to Mandalay Bay in the high roller. You have a king size bed. And then you can see Resorts World this way as well.